Hi, I'm Hillary from My Horse from Home on Instagram, and this is my current door. As you can see, it isn't very appealing looking. It's about 30 years old, I would guess. It's from when the house was first built, so as you can see, it's taken a lot of wear and tear on it. The paint is all chipped. I mean, at one point it looks like there was a doorbell, but it's no longer there, and I don't know where it went. And it still has this horrible sticker that says, "Please use the bell." That I can't get off. So a few other things I don't like about it. I mean, it's very tarnished, just again from the wear and tear on it. Clearly it doesn't have the best paint because it's been chipping. The draft is horrible on this door. It doesn't seal properly and the locks keep sticking. Yeah, I don't like it. It needs an upgrade. All right, it's very exciting. We're in the middle of the door installation. I have lots of expectations for this new door. As you see, it's very windy here, so I'm hoping with the new door that draft is not going to come through anymore, because with the old door, I'd walk through this hallway and I'd get a chill. So I'm really hoping that it's going to solve that problem. And yeah, another reason I am so excited for this door is just the aesthetics of the outside are going to change so much. So when I come to the front door, I'm going to be excited to come in, and I won't be ashamed of the front door when friends and family come over, and I won't be hiding it. So I'm really excited for that because I could already see it over there, and it looks like an absolutely beautiful door. The door installation is done and I'm so excited. I absolutely love my new Palladio door. This is the Cairo door in Chartwell green. It's foil finish, that means it's never gonna fade like the other door I had where the paint was always chipping. This one is never gonna chip, and I'm so excited about that. It is just such a beautiful door, and the backing glass is the Cotswold, so it has some privacy to it. So no one can see in my house anymore, which is also amazing. I also think it's great that there's a 12-year guarantee on this door, so my mind is completely at ease. I'll also feel a lot safer having this door because there's a 10-point locking system with this door, which just is absolutely incredible. I just can't thank Palladio doors enough. I think this door is going to be with us for a very long time.